If you need to reset two-factor authentication on your Vrbo account, follow these simple steps to regain access and secure your account. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Vrbo website and log into your account using your username and password. If you cannot log in due to two-factor authentication issues, proceed to the next step. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. Look for a section related to security or two-factor authentication. Step 3. Choose Reset Two-Factor Authentication. In the security settings, find the option to reset or disable two-factor authentication. Click on this option to initiate the reset process. Step 4. Verify your identity. You may be required to verify your identity through an email or SMS code sent to your registered contact method. Follow the prompts to complete this verification. Step 5. Set up two-factor authentication again. After successfully verifying your identity, you can set up two-factor authentication again. Choose your preferred method such as an authentication app or SMS and follow the instructions to complete the setup. After completing these steps, you should have successfully reset your two-factor authentication on Vrbo. Make sure to keep your account secure by using strong passwords and updating your security settings regularly.